Proper personal protective equipment required. Safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask should be worn during replacement of activated carbon. Place arm inside glove box and remove the charcoal filter. Place charcoal filter inside antechamber and close the inner door. Open outer door to remove charcoal filter from antechamber. After the charcoal filter is removed from the glove box, loosen and remove the 2 nuts and washers. Place nuts and washers aside as they will be reused at the end of the process. Lift off the gray plastic ring, the metal screen, and the filter material. These parts will also be reused, so set them aside. Pour the used carbon into an approved container for solid waste disposal. Remove outer cylinder. Loosen nuts and separate the plate from the filter, and discard the used filter. Install the new filter. Reinstall the outer cylinder. Refill with 1.25 kilograms of new carbon material. Reinstall the top filter material, the metal screen, and the plastic ring. Reinstall the nuts and washers to secure the top. Place the internal charcoal filter in the antechamber and place under dynamic vacuum overnight, and finish remaining antechamber cycles after overnight evacuation prior to bringing into glove box. Install the charcoal filter in the filter port.